All carbon fiber counts match the manifest.
Confirmed. The ingot logs are updated. We are ready for inspection.
Finalizing the report now.
Spectral analysis complete. All elements within tolerance.
Confirmed. The sample meets international standards for the nacelle frame.
Under intense magnification.
The titanium ingots proceed to the forging zone, while the carbon fiber is routed to the climate-controlled layup facility.
The massive forging press releases its pressure, and a powerful robotic manipulator extracts the newly formed
Check the alignment on the Z-axis, it seems slightly off.
It's within tolerance, but let's rerun the calibration sequence just in case. The CMM ensures that the component's physical dimensions match the digital design model exactly, guaranteeing perfect fit and function.
Check the hydraulic line routing on section 4.
Verified. The sensor alignment is also green.
Meticulous routing prevents contact with hot surfaces. This is critical for the reliable operation of the engine controls and the USB system monitoring equipment.
This sensor is crucial for monitoring the thermal conditions required to maintain the upper surface blowing effect.
The An-72 nacelle undergoes precise weight and balance measurement. The data confirms it is within tight tolerances, ensuring aviation safety.
Cross-referencing the schematic on the tablet. Everything aligned?
Yes, structure is sound. Let's sign off on this section.
Once the data plate is affixed, the component receives its unique identifier, confirming its lineage and compliance throughout its service life.
The Antonov An-72 nacelle frame assembly, having completed process A, is now securely transferred to
Air is rapidly evacuated from the vacuum bag surrounding the green state liner, causing the bag to shrink tightly. The increasing pressure.
The vacuum-bagged composite liner is transferred directly into the colossal autoclave. The massive door then
High-intensity infrared lamps focus on the newly applied ceramic thermal barrier coating on the deep black woven composite liner.
estimates. The rigid composite liner is slowly lowered into the nacelle frame, where the metallic inserts click precisely into place.
The fastening sequence is computer-controlled, ensuring uniform pressure across the liner's surface.
All connections are secured. Initiating the thermal load simulation now.
Confirmed. Readings are stable across the composite.
Data shows the structural integrity is holding strong.
All parameters are stable. The test is a success.
straps are secure, Supervisor.
Okay, lift it steady. Let's get this Coaler engine inside.
Clearances look good on the starboard side.
Confirmed. Proceeding with final coupling sequence.
The Antonov An-72, nicknamed the Coaler, is unique. Its massive engine nacelle is lift-cock.
Alignment is stable. Proceed with lowering.
Roger.
Engaging the torque wrench now for the final sequence.
System integrated. We have cockpit sync.
Confirmed. Operational readiness check passed.
Tow complete. Positioning cones now.
Roger that. Confirm area clear.
The high-thrust exhaust dramatically increases the lift over the wing surfaces. The aircraft rotates quickly.